As oldest rugby tournament, the Enterprise Cup, takes center stage this weekend in a changed format that sees the competition held in between Kenya Cup games. Nairobi will host 3 preliminary round matches. Now, Kenya Harlequins host Ngong Warriors at the RFUEA Grounds. Strathmore Leos take on Jkuat at Madaraka, while Mean Machine play Masinde Muliro University. In the Western region, Resolution Kisii will face University of Eldoret. Western Bulls meet the Egerton Wasps, while Kisumu RFC welcome the South Coast Pirates. Enterprise Cup was first held in 1930.